I am starving. Let's get this pizza.
I'm gonna have that one.
Man, that one's interesting.
That one's been looking at me all night.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Taylor, and we're having Dad's Night at Shakey's, a monthly series where the guys and I meet up and talk about the joys and the challenges of fatherhood.
Remember when I couldn't get my kid to go to sleep? I mean, for like the first like,
process.
2 weeks, it was just. And what was that tip you told me about?
Oh, classical and jazz.
That's what it was.
Yes.
That was solid, man.
Some Mozart and Bach.
Beethoven.
Beautiful.
Every kid's different, though.
Yes, yeah, because what worked for me was white noise.
Yeah.
Just sound to like drown out all the little, because they make so much noise.
Right.
Like, that's one thing you don't expect.
Yeah.
It's like that little thing that's alive is like,
Well, it's because in the womb, it's like.
Yes,
the
exactly.
womb is extremely noisy. People
100%.
don't realize that.
Yeah.
It's like an echo chamber, right?
Recreate the womb as much
Yeah,
as
so you're trying to
possible.
recreate the womb, and that's why all that white noise actually helps.
Right into their ear.
And and you toss them around like that too. But seriously, like
Some advice I would give to a new dad is probably just being ready that they're going to change. And so just as you're like learning things and like she's gonna sleep like this, she likes it this way, then they change. Just like that in an instant. Because they're always learning, always growing.
your relationship with your wife will change.
Oh, absolutely.
In a huge way. There's this new little being, and like they're very nurturing, and they sort of get a lot of their fulfillment from taking care of someone. Now there's this new little person in there. So you sort of have to be ready to, you know, be ready for that. Take care of yourself a little bit.
No, just
Man, you can also like
Fend for yourself.
find new ways to connect with your wife.
make sure you have some time for yourself. Like,
Yeah.
and us, maybe a little bit,
Yeah.
if you can fit me in there, but go the extra mile as the
Yeah.
husband and be like, hey, I got this.
You know what my needs are? I need more pepperoni. Here we go.
I already got to it. Oh man.
Guess we're gonna got all the pepperoni.
I'm sorry.
You're picking up the check this week. We drew straws.
All right, fine.